So how do you change the App Store account on the iPad? Let's get into it. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you are subscribed because you don't want to miss videos like this one, right? So a lot of people might need to change their account in case their app simply doesn't work, right? They're trying to download an app and it doesn't work in their region. And this can be changed inside of the App Store itself by going to the account by clicking on the profile picture, then go to the account again, and you can see we have the ability to change the country and region right away. So you can choose and you'll see like a list of countries, and you can switch it to a different place, and this is technically switching or changing the App Store account, right? So you can choose a different region where different apps are available. Keep in mind that at first you have to cancel all of your subscriptions and payments and everything in the old account, and then you need to set up a brand new one. Otherwise, it's not going to work, right? So this is one possibility of changing the country or region. But outside of that, if you generally want to switch to a different account, like a different Apple ID email address, this can be done inside of the settings by tapping on your profile. But as you know, Apple ID is connected with all of the Apple services. So you have to sign out from your entire Apple account, which includes your iCloud, family sharing, the Find My, and all of the other services. So you can sign out from that and sign in with a brand new Apple ID. But it's a huge step, right? So you have to like keep that in mind that it will reset all of the things. You know, it will be a completely different account with a different password, with different devices attached to it. So it's a whole process. So ensure you really want to do it, but this is how you can just sign out like this and have a fresh start with a new Apple ID and also a new App Store account. So depends on what you need. Let me know if any of these options were helpful to you. Most definitely subscribe for more as I try to help you with a lot of tutorials like this one. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.